Need I say any more? Good morning and welcome to another vlog. I swear I'm always wearing my pajamas every time. I just finished a run. I did 10 kilometers. I did plan to do like 21.1, but my body just was not feeling it at all, so I listened and I stopped. Next week I do have the Adelaide Marathon, so I am nervous, but it should be good. And yeah, so I have not many plans for today, but I think I want to enjoy the sunshine and maybe go fly the drone at the beach. And yeah, I want to get ready for today, conquer my weekend. I love the weekends. Like, I have never appreciated weekends more in my life until I've started working, to be honest. Anyway, let's get into today's vlog. Before I get even started, I actually need to pluck my eyebrows, but I just want to put some moisturizer. My skin gets so dry when I run. I just think it's just the air that hits my face. Just gets super dry, so I'll do that. Yeah, go.
Roll over. No, roll over. Sharp. Roll over. Roll over. Nie, o nie. Roll over. Nie chcę łapki. Roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over.
All the way. Oh.
Ali, roll over again. No.
Okay, we are currently going for a walk. Sugar. The same old thing we do every Saturday, because Ali won't forgive us if we don't. So the weather. Yes. Dylan has got me the Seinfeld Lego little thing, and yeah, it's taken us about, I think, 2-ish hours to get to this. Doesn't look like a lot, but that is 2 hours of work. And I love Lego. I wish I could do it more, but it does cost quite a bit of money. So yeah, but it's really good fun to be building this. It's a little way. Ready for our walk? Yeah. So today is now Sunday, and we're starting off today by walking, really, like any other day. Nice sunny day. I'm so excited for spring. Like, it's just around the corner. So now we're going out for a little drive. We're hopefully going to fly the drone. It seems like there's like not much wind. And look at how funny my eyebrows are. I drew them and they're a bit thicker than usual, so But anyway, yeah, so we're going to do that. And look how nice the scenery is. I love it. It's further down south. We're at like Port Wollonga area. Yeah. You're getting you one. The drone. If it doesn't work and it's saying it's too windy, when I bring it down, obviously because it is very light. It is what it is, but look how beautiful the beach is. We got some nice footage. It is beautiful out here, but it is unfortunately a tad bit windy. We did get the warning, so we brought it back down, but got a little bit of footage. So gosh, look how blue the sun is. And then blue the sky is. So beautiful. We have been down there. I'll link the video where we've gone down there before, but yeah, I haven't been on this side before, which is pretty cool. It's just beautiful. I mean, look at the cliffs. Okay, so we are currently back home. We just went to the bottle shop and got some alcohol. And yeah, I don't really have any plans for today because it is Sunday, and I usually use Sundays as like a day of just resting and really enjoying the day, because the next day is the work day and I know it's like back to business. But I'm also kind of like in the mood to clean my room, but then I'm also kind of like tossing and turning because I don't want to dive into completely cleaning my room because I know it will tire me out, and I don't know, but I also want to clean my room, like deep clean my room, because my room is quite like tidy. There's nothing that needs to be cleaned really, but I want to go through my clothes and be like, keep, not keep, I don't know. I also want to buy some Lego, and I'm trying to avoid those wants. But I'm also, I don't know if I told you in my last vlog, but I'm currently reading this book. It's called June, and it's really, really good. I actually want to make a video on YouTube about all my favorite books that I have been loving for 2021, because I have just become a bit of a bookworm. And my sister bought me this one. It's kind of, I've dropped it a couple of times, and I'm not one to ruin my books, so I'm getting like mad anxiety because like the corners have like started to fold up, and I don't know what I've done, but I don't leave my books like this, so please don't judge me. But it's a really good book. I'm getting close to finishing it, which is making me so I really love the sweater that I'm wearing, but it's just, it looks really, really worn out for some reason. I have not even had it for a year, I don't think, and it just looks really gross, and I don't know if I should bin it or not, or keep it. It's just bold, and I haven't even worn it that often, and it looks like it's like an old jumper, but it's not. I don't know what to do with it. I love it, but I'm also kind of like, I feel gross when I wear it, so.
To school children all over the French-speaking world.
Drinking a Midori. Yummy. Oh my gosh, do not mind my eyes. I just need to clean off the makeup. But I just wanted to come on here and say thank you guys so much for watching again. Yeah, I honestly said I was gonna film to finish off this afternoon, but instead I edited a video and read a book. And I always get really funny on Sunday nights before work. I have said this before, my anxiety just kicks in and I freak out for some reason. I'm really working on it, but yeah, Sunday nights are just not a great night for me ideally, just for my own sanity. Anyway, so I just want to come on here and say thank you, because that's something I'm trying to work on, is actually saying goodbye and finishing off a video. So that's me doing that, and I just want to say, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another video.